Okay, so now let's go to the big reclining Buddha. Okay, so we can go inside, but we need to remove our shoes. So let's go inside. So you see, we'll go there. Okay, this is the yeah. So let's go inside. My shoes was okay. Let's go inside the temple. So this is what you see inside. Here, then we walk. Okay, this is inside the big temple Buddha. Okay, so this is what we see. Let's go inside. So this is under the big Buddha. So we do this. Okay, so this is okay.